So we are here where? So this is 2026 August. So when is your target? 2027. Let's put May. Let's put April. April. This is your target. So how many months are there? Except August and April. September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 7 months. Only 7 months. Okay, only 7 months there. So entire period is 7 months. So let's calculate for 7 months. Huh? Right. For biology, what I'm going to do, our plan. So 7 months, that August, September, October, November. Here, November 2026. End of November, beginning of December, we finish the syllabus. Okay. So we are moving a little fast. So during this program, the first part of the program, basically we finish the syllabus here. And so here, syllabus will be done. Syllabus will be done. Right. Now today, I am not counting the previous crash courses we done. So I am telling today is the new day for the new crash course series. Okay. So we are starting crash courses today, 2026. And this will be running until the end of the period. So here, revision plus papers. Revision plus papers. So I am starting from the lesson 1 today. Okay, like that. So this is the second time you are getting the chance to get everything. So first time here basically, so this is the first time we have finished the syllabus. Right? If you join with me at the very beginning, so by November you finish the syllabus entirely. Even now you join, it's fine. By November you finish the syllabus once with the theory tude I just gave. And here I am giving another different tude called Smart Notes. Some of you get some of them, but anyhow I am giving again. Okay, Smart Notes. And Smart Notes, you are not writing anything, everything is there, but in a complex, very small version. For example, this is the today one. Okay, so you can see entire first 2 chapters, 2 pages. Very simple, right? But everything here is a keyword. You need to remember. So that's the second time I am doing the syllabus. Entire syllabus again will be done here. This will be also will be finished not April, by March it will be finished. March, February it will be finished. Then here what we are doing. Here each day there will be a revision or crash course. Basically we call those crash courses. Crash course means sector wise, lesson wise. I am doing quick crash course. Then from that you are getting questions. And what I am doing, those question papers, I am marking those papers. But today what I am not going to mark. September onwards I am going to collect it. So each day you are writing the papers, I am collecting the papers, and I am giving another copy for the discussion. Okay, so you are discussing it with me with the empty another copy. I am taking home, I am marking, I have a different panel for that. So we are marking it. Next week I am giving you the papers. Before that I will put the marks to the group. And remember, not only to the group, register to the website. I think everyone of you know biologicwiththilina.com. So you join there, you can see your basically progress in a graph, everything will be there. Right? So I don't care where you start today. That's the whole point. I don't care you get 10 marks for your semester exams. I want to see each day it goes at least 1 mark ahead. Next day 11, 12, 15, 20. Because we have 7 months. Each week 2-3 marks are up means by here you are getting 90s. Clear? So I don't care where you start. So it's a new beginning. But every day I want to see at least 1 mark you are going up. Right? But the thing is, don't take it too easy. Don't wait until this moment. You have to go every day. You have to study. So collect all the crash courses. I'll give you a different file next week. So you can collect everything there. Collect the theory notes separately. Collect the crash course separately. And here around February, just before your school mock test, then I am giving the final brain booster series. So brain booster is the last minute note you need to have in your hand. Okay, I am giving at the very last moment. Entire syllabus will be like 40 pages. Everything like to 40 pages, very short one. But it contains only the keywords only. But you can't understand Brain Booster without the revision first you done. If you done this one only, you can understand what is there because only words are there. But for example, if you have biology today, then you can have it in your hand just before the exam, quickly go through. That means entire syllabus will be done. Okay, so this is the last tute you should have with your brain in your hand, right? So that means we are covering the syllabus 3 times. We are covering the syllabus 3 times. Okay, so second time starts today. This is too late. So if anyone is waiting to come to that one, it's not going to happen, right? It's very hard, impossible thing to do, right? So here crash courses, papers and everything, and here you are facing at least 10 mock exams, 10 mocks every day. This is like a mock, but these are very special one, hard ones. 10 to 15. Last time actually I managed to do 15. This 2026 one, right? So 10 to 15 mock text will be there. Super hard, not the standard one, little bit harder because I am preparing for you for the worst case scenario. So I am always telling my students to think you are the unfortunate batch to get the hardest paper ever. Think like that. Think like that. Why? If that occurs, that means you will get a super hard paper. You already prepared. This entire months you prepared for that. If you get an easy paper, fine. No, you are so happy because you prepared for the worst one. You got an easy one. You write it. But what if you are thinking always positive? We are getting so easy paper, so it's okay. Just do it. You get a super hard paper. You cry that day. No need. So you prepare for the worst case scenario. If it is easy, fine. If it is hard, fine. You prepared for that, right? Therefore, these are very hard papers I am doing. Purposely I make it a little bit harder because when you are going to your school mock test, it will be so easy that day. Even the real exam will be so easy compared to that one because these are so hard. So it's fine, right? Then these 10 or 15 mock tests, the students who are getting the highest marks will be awarded. So you have a prize there. Each test very small. Don't expect me to have like iPhone or something. But final one, you can expect to have a very nice one. Not iPhone. I'm not that rich, okay? But little small prizes you can win each week. These mock tests, right? So final mock test will be there. I'll tell later that one. So this is basically the program. This is the program. So no excuses will be accepted because you have now almost first one almost done. That means the syllabus. You have another time and another time to cover the syllabus, right? And we are doing at least, if all together these 15 mock tests and everything, at least 110 papers you are writing with me. At least 110 papers you are writing with me. So actually now is the time you are starting your real battle, right? Because you are the next exam batch. So far they had one exam batch and the semester exam. Now fine, grade 9 is done. Now you are grade 10 means you are the next well focused batch, right? You are actually my next exam batch. So whole focus on you. So you have to do each of these. Even you missed, now the recordings are available. So no excuses now. Okay, last year they didn't have these facilities. They didn't have recording, so if they missed. Now you have recordings, everything is there. If you miss one thing, you can go to the recording. Even you miss a question paper to write it and send me. I'll mark in it, okay? Because marking me is very important. So I'm giving the chance for the online people as well. So you write it, honestly you write it because I can't see you are actually writing. So I can ask you to basically switch on the camera and do it, but I can't entirely see what is surrounding you, right? So you be honest and write it. Quickly send the photos, make into a PDF and send me. I can mark it. I'll give that opportunity as well. But for the paper class, if you can come, actually it is very effective because you are writing in front of me. So I'm pretty sure you are not going to copy from something. Okay. But if you are very far away, so what to do? Anyhow, we'll adjust, right? Do honestly. That's why I say, I don't care you get 10 marks for the paper at the very beginning. But I want to see you are going always up, not down. Okay. If you are going down, really something is wrong. I want to see always you are going up and up. Okay, so as like most of the time, if you can to attend physical classes, it's better for the paper writing part. Theory part, fine, no problem. Okay, crash courses, fine. But for the paper, if you are close enough, if you can travel, please come. Otherwise, at least join online, no problem. I'll mark with the soft copy as well, no problem there. Okay, so that is the program. That is the entire thing for the biology for band 9. Very easy. Very easy to get. You can see when you are writing the paper, after these 10, 15 mocks and entire all these papers, how easy it's going to be. And during the exam period, that's another time. Now this is exam period, right? During exam period also, we are having special seminars, because to just there's no exam here this time period. Okay, there will be no exam, only the seminars to revise everything. For example, for the paper 1, separate seminar set, at least 2 or 3. Paper 2, just before biology, seminar 2, 1 or 2, like that. So I'm putting to cover entire syllabus, fresh memory. Maybe if you have the exams at the evening, in the morning online session I will do for free, like that. I'll arrange that way, because most of the time, most of the teachers, what they do, they just after the March, no classes, nothing. So I don't want to do that. I want to keep you until the last moment. That's the thing. Then even you have any other questions, you can send me, we discuss. It's just I don't like evaluate you there, because I don't want to get to, if you accidentally get a low mark there, you will be disappointed. So I don't want to disappoint in this period, because you are writing the exam. Therefore only like revising, quickly revising to memorize or to polish your memory, to getting ready for the exam, like that. So it's a very easy exam. I want 9 and 8 only. That's the target.